So it was agreed that they would start the next morning, which incidentally turned out cold and misty.
There are jaguars and snakes and quicksand.
I'm not listening.
I'm not kidding. Listen, you cannot go in there.
A little something along to sustain
Still
himself.
not listening.
Scared. We'll see you scared.
Now as Tigger
Those guys
kept
would find out
bouncing
soon enough who's
farther
on
and
top
farther
of the
into
food
mist,
chain around
Rabbit
here.
thought it was a good time to lose Tigger.
No chance. Quick, in here, hide.
Tigger's lost now, isn't he, Rabbit? Oh, he's lost, all right, Piglet. Oh, goody. This is lots of fun, Pooh. My splendid idea worked. Now home we go.
Good. Yum, yum. It's time for lunch.
Hello!
Oh, my goodness. Hide.
Hello! That's funny. They must be lost. Hello! Hey, you blokes! Where are you?
Shush. I am shushed.
Hey! Where in the heck are you guys? Hello? Rabbit? Piglet? Where are you? Hello?
Hooray! Hooray, we've done it. Now, come on, hurry. Let's head for home.
Well, Rabbit was certain that everything was going according to plan, and so it seemed to be. But sometime later, on the bottom of page 123,
It's a funny thing how everything looks the same in the mist.
He's right, Piglet. It's the very same sand pit.
I think so too, Pooh. Well, it's lucky I know the forest so well, or we might get lost. Well, come on, follow me.
now Pooh was getting tired of seeing the same sandpit, and he suspected it of following them about, because whichever direction they started in, they always seemed to end up at it.
Rabbit?
Yeah?
Say, Rabbit, how would it be if, as soon as we're out of sight of this old pit, we just try to find it again?
Well, what's the good of that?
Well, you see, we keep looking for home, but we keep finding this pit. So I just thought that if we look for this pit, we might find home.
I don't see much sense in that. If I walked away from this pit and then walked back to it, of course I should find it. I'll prove it to you. Wait here.